the Humble Chef 808 Quick Bite series. Quick Bite series, we do a little skill each time. This one we're going to do stock from our frozen vegetables, frozen bones that we collected this week. So first thing first, some veggies. Basically, I take the onion scraps, peel. Peel gives a good color to the golden color to the stock. Mushroom stems in here from earlier this week. Carrot peel, sorry. We have this, we need a little more onion, so I'm going to do, started already, probably about half of a medium onion. A little more carrot. And that should be enough for this amount of meat. Basically about 25% vegetable to bone and meat per pound by weight. I had some frozen parsley stems here. Throw that in there. Throw this back in the freezer. Save that for our next time. So the chicken bones. Still a little bit frozen, which is good because we're going to hammer these away. What we want here is, that's good. It's about 1 to 2 inch pieces. So like the small drumsticks and stuff like that is good. We have a wishbone here. Just going to snap that in half. One more wing bone. A little bit of meat here. Throw that in there. Oh, that guy there. Okay, right there. So the carcass part, we do same thing. We got to cut it into little 1 inch pieces. So careful here. We're going to lift it up like that. Take your knife. We're going to cut down the rib cage right in half. Should fall apart easy. Just be careful with your fingers. And we're going to bust up the bones. This is a heavy duty German knife. Easy to work with on stuff like this. It's been used and abused. If there's a joint, you can go right through that. Skin. Boom, boom. There we go. Bust that in half. Okay, so now we have our bones cut up. Veggies are ready. We'll head over to the stove to make it. Okay, thank you for joining me at the stove. Get our small little pot ready. So this is about 1 pound of bones and a little over 1/4 pound of vegetables. It's okay. We don't need to be precise at home. We just need to make it flavorful. So basically we're going to throw these in here like so. Now you could roast the bones if you wanted to in the oven. We just want a nice neutral stock here. Throw that in there. Crank this to high. And we're going to add water just to cover. This should be about, in a pot this size, about 1/4 water, maybe a little bit more. See that? Add a little bit more, maybe 1 more cup. Okay. Perfect. See how that just covers everything? So I'd say maybe about 1 pound chicken with 1/4 pound vegetables, 1/4 stock. So you can just buy that as 3 pound of bones and meat. You can do 1 quart. We can use this for pretty much anything. Chicken soup, you can use it as a base for gravy, stuff like that. Now the stock's come to a boil, so we're going to turn it down to low. I think this is like number 3. It's an electric stove, so it's going to take a while for it to cool down a little bit. But with that, should be good to go. Okay, now you can see just a few bubbles coming up right there. That's right where we want it. Okay. This is been simmering for a little bit. Maybe come by every 15 minutes or so. Kind of swirl it like that, very gently. What this is going to do is going to push some of the fat to the sides. It'll be easier for you to pick off. Okay, it's been simmering for a little while. It's flavorful. Another way to figure out how to when to stop is taste it, and what's no more flavors coming out, or it's not getting richer anymore, you know it's complete. Okay, stock is complete. Brought it from the stove. We're going to strain it through the strainer and into a heat-proof vessel. Now you can use a what's that called? Coffee filter. I don't have any. I just use French press in the morning, but a coffee filter really helps to get rid of more of the sediment in here. But we're not looking for super refinement. We're just looking for a nice. Ooh, that burns. Oh, we just drain it like that. Now don't push it through. You're going to cloud the stock up. Just kind of move it a little bit. Shake it until no more liquid comes out. Still get a little bit going. Okay, that's it. That goes into the trash. And now we have our chicken stock that we can use for anything. Gravy, chicken soup, use it to braise our beef with. Perfect. Neutral in flavor. Thank you for joining me on Quick Bites. Till next time. Okie dokie. Done.